This is the elevator at 3307 Clark Road, also known as the Sheridan Center in Sarasota, Florida. 2 chimes for up, interesting. This used to be a Mowrey. It got modernized sometime in the last few years. It's backwards. 1 chime for down, 2 chimes for up. So I'm not sure if this is a Florida mod or it's some other company's mod. Let's go for one more ride. 2,500 pound capacity. And we're in the down at 1. It tells you only press the alarm or phone buttons in an emergency. Looks like the expiration says 2025, but I'm not entirely sure. And that'll be it.